Hello guys, so today I'm going to explain to you a 3D animation on Blender. I have my ready character here. So as we talked before, I'm going to talk the animation steps like taking the bones and do good movie like this, and you can use it whatever you want. Don't use it for fun or marketing or something like this. So make sure guys that you are going to choose timeline, not web sheet, because you know web sheet is more advanced if you are beginner, so you don't need the web sheet. So I'm going to back to timeline. Yeah, that is it. So let's confirm to edit mode. Um, there is the object mode. I think we are going to shoot the character with Virani. Uh, 3D keyboard showing that the final result of the animation. So maybe we can go to for the shading editor. If you want to change the colors of the character or something, some materials that you cannot choose. There is the all materials for the character that we been selected before on the 3D viewboard. So let's change for something like this one. You can see here there is the bones with pose mode. You can select which bone that you are gonna animate. This is for the neck, this for the hips, leg, arm, and so on. And then choose Shift A to choose all the character here, and with this space to start. The character has its own animation that already set before. So I'm going to so let's choose. You have to back to object mode and choose other character like this. And we switch to pose mode. So all this animation is already set for just to get this split goes with my animation name. Then, so I'm going to repeat, for example, Shift R, then Shift X axis, for example, Z axis to whatever animation that you want. I'm going to make high. So then press this again. See, this is the final result. We're going to switch to random mode. if you enjoy everything will be fast and good. So this is the final result. This is the beats one. So sound speed one. That's about like a Squid Game. Everyone knows this game. So all this models are free. You can download from website. I'm going to leave this suggestion you guys. So you can see all of this character. They are free to download. Some of them is subscription maybe. So this is the final render. It's back to normal mode. It's gonna hit G to grab the character, whatever place I want. Y axis, X axis, and of course Z axis. With I, you can save the animation by putting keyframe. So I think guys, I explained some of the animation modes. Thank you so very much, and next time I'm going to explain more of the animation. See you guys.